Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning international data roaming on and off on a Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select SIM cards and mobile networks. Tap Advanced Settings. Now select Data Roaming. Tap International Roaming, and you can choose to change it to Always to turn it on, Never to turn it off, or exceptions where you can choose which apps can use roaming data. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.